I think that why I've chosen tambura is because it's a big tradition in my country and especially in my region, and of course it's a tradition in my family. And I was surrounded by tambura while I was a kid, and I guess that was the main reason. I started to play tambura first at the age of 7 or 8. I won the competition that was held in Bassano del Grappa, that's a small town in Italy. Every year they have some kind of reward for the most talented student, and the first award was full scholarship at the New School for Jazz and Contemporary Music in New York. The main issue about playing tambura at the New School for Jazz and Contemporary Music is of course that there is no tambura teacher, but we together realized that the music is the only thing that matters, and so I started with all kind of instrumentalists. I started with guitar players, I started with saxophone players, with trumpet players, so in the end it's all about the music, and I'm the one who is responsible for taking it to my instrument. Well, people find it very exotic and unusual, which they actually like, because it's something they never heard before, something they never experienced the sound of tambura, so reactions are actually very positive and they actually like it. It happened accidentally when I started to play with one of my colleagues from Music Academy Zagreb, Petar Čuliberg. He's a piano player, and we formed a duo where we played mostly jazz but some other music too. I believe that this instrument is quite unexplored and that it hasn't went to his limits. It's very simple. You get up in the morning, go to school, practice in the meantime, and get back and go back to bed and wait for another day. Well, sometimes it depends. It depends what kind of parties. And of course I'm trying to do a living of playing, so I have to play on parties too. When you're like a jazz artist, you start to discover all kinds of genres of music. Like, for example, this semester I was involved mostly in Brazilian music, and I discovered a completely new world of Brazilian music, and now I'm involved in that, and who knows what's gonna next semester happen. The people that affected on my music mostly could be Chicoria, Pat Metini, Robi Lakatoš, Vlatko Stefanovski. My musical plans are to publish CD with Quartet Corona. The next step would be probably recording a CD with the Novosel Bukas duo that I formed in New York with my professor Richard Bukas. Probably the next step would be my first solo record.